Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a great pleasure for me to stand here before you today to officially open the first event that is the Northern Job Fair for our people in Banua Levu. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is not just another recruitment drive. It is a reflection of our ministry's commitment to empowering the North through employment growth. We made a commitment to our people to bring our services to their doors. And this is one example of how we reach out to our people and to serve them. We organized a job fair in Nandi some time ago. We had a 2-day event. We had 40 employers there as well, and thousands of job seekers went through those booths in the 2 days, and on the spot, some 630 plus jobs were secured. The next one was in Suva. That was just a couple of weeks ago. And I've been advised by the team that 630 plus again were employed on the spot, and another 600 plus have been put in the queue for interviews. So that is a great achievement for us in terms of bringing employers and job seekers at one site and being able to secure jobs for our young people. Our goal on this job fair is simple: to make the recruitment process as accessible and streamlined as possible. At one location, you can find everything you need to support your job application. If you don't have all the requirements, don't worry. Today, we have a wide range of stakeholders here to assist you with the process. So birth, death, and marriages people are here today to provide birth certificates for those interested in starting their own business. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Revenue and Customs Service is also here to assist you get your TIN registration if you haven't got one done. Then we have the FNPF people here, and you can check your account. If you have been working for a while, just see if your contributions have been remitted into that account by your employer, or you can register as well. The Fijian Elections Office is here as well, issuing voter cards. If you haven't registered, this is your opportunity. We have CV writing experts. CV writing experts, they will draw up your curriculum vitae and polish your resume, ensuring you stand out to the potential employers. So if you don't have a good resume, please seek assistance from them. And this is truly a one-stop shop that will provide you with all the tools you need to succeed in your job search. The theme of today's job fair, empowering the North through employment growth. Empowering the North through employment growth. This theme highlights not only the opportunities available here today, but also the long-term benefits that employment and skills building bring out to our communities. The North has a vast potential for growth. In the coming years, we will see significant development in the region, especially the key projects already underway. The Ministry of Trade is driving efforts to unlock new opportunities of trade for local businesses. Additionally, the 300 million ADB Northern Infrastructure Project will focus on tourism sector development in the North bringing with it a wave of job creation and business growth opportunities. That's a lot of money being invested in the North in the infrastructure for the next, over the next 10 years. As we embark on these projects, it is crucial that we have a skilled workforce ready to take on the roles and responsibilities that will emerge. That is why events like today's job fair are so important. We are laying the foundation for the workforce of tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to acknowledge the contributions of the universities and educational institutions, the University of the South Pacific, Fiji National University, University of Fiji, Polytechnic, Montfort Boys Town, and other institutions. They all play a critical role in equipping our youth with the skills needed for today's economy. The government of Fiji has committed to providing education, and there are incentives that are provided to young people to have success to world-class education and training that will allow them to compete in the global market. Education, ladies and gentlemen, is the key to unlocking the opportunities, to opening those doors that you wish to open. The Fijian government is providing free education from early childhood to year 13. And on top of that, the back to school, $200 per child is provided, which will come to you parents in January to assist you to prepare to get your child to school. If you have 3 children, you'll get $600. Everything is there for you. The parents' role is to make sure that they send their children to school regularly and the other needs are met. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are especially focused on our youth. The government recognizes the challenges faced by young people today in securing employment. This is a platform where we want to help bridge that gap. We are here to offer career opportunities, training and guidance so that our youth can take full advantage of the possibilities that lie ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, the job fair is an important step in shaping the future of the North. By engaging with employers and stakeholders here today, you are taking the first step towards building a brighter future for yourselves, your families, and your communities. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the stakeholders that have joined us today and supported this important event. Your commitment to the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Workplace Relations and the National Employment Center is truly invaluable. Together, we are creating a future of opportunity and growth for the people of the Northern Division. Finally, to all the job seekers who are here today, I encourage you to take full advantage of the services offered. Speak to the employers, engage with the representatives, and ask questions about the opportunities available. Today is about you and the possibilities that await you. In closing, I want to remind everyone that this event is not about finding a job for today, but building a future for tomorrow. Together, we will continue to empower the North through employment growth. Let us use this opportunity to open the doors and create pathways to success. Ladies and gentlemen, just going back to those few other opportunities that the government provides to the youth of today. Apart from the ECE to year 13 education, we also have scholarships for all tertiary education, scholarships for all areas of education. But remember, everybody can't become a doctor, everybody can't become a lawyer, everybody can't become an engineer. So according to the the achievements of the students in their year 12 and year 13, scholarships will be provided, are being provided for the different occupations that you can select and you can successfully complete your education on full scholarship. We also have the incentivized apprenticeship scheme now on board for the last 2 years. Introduced the year last year in the financial year 22-23, we had 500 spaces for apprentices to join any industry of their choice. And the employer pays $2.90 an hour as you get into that on-the-job learning for 4 years, and the government tops it up by $2 an hour to make it $4.90 an hour. So if you become an apprentice in FSC, for example, or Esco Motors, or any other company, you start with $4.90 an hour after leaving Form 6 or year 12. And we have got 500 spaces in this budget now, current budget. So that is also a great opportunity for young people to join in. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the National Employment Center Director and the team for the hard work that they put in for all the events that we have organized so far. And the next event, I've just been told by the team, is going to be in Bar. So we'll continue to organize these job fairs all over the country and bring employers and workers, job seekers, together to try and assist both employers as well as job seekers. With these few words, let me now declare this fair open. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the very best in your job search. Navalevu Dhanyavad.